Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is going to be as promised. I shot a video earlier in the week eating lunch, and I told you guys that a company approached me about doing a video about their product, and it was super like bizarre how they got in contact with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what that company is about, what the product is, what they sent me, and what I think about it. So actually, it's going to be an unboxing video, so I have not used or tried this product out. I can assure you that I will, and I will definitely give you an update when I do. But let's just get into it because I'm super excited. Okay, so here is the package. The company is called Panty Fresh, and the name is pretty explanatory as to what the company is all about. So this company reached out to me via email, and this product basically is the complete freshness when you're on the go. So in these little packets, you get a panty, a liner, a wipe, and a wash me bag. They sent me two styles, two different colors. This is what the package looks like, guys. This is the full package. Like, you get all four of those products that I mentioned in this one small box, believe it or not. That's crazy to me. I mean, it's small enough to fit like in the palm of your hand. You can be very discreet with it. Put it in a little pouch or something, and no one would ever know what you were carrying because it's so tiny. I want to tell you guys a little bit about the company. So like I said, the company is called Panty Fresh, and they are seamless panties to go. Okay, so this is some of the information that they sent me. For every Panty Fresh photo that you post on Instagram using the hashtag Panty Fresh Gives Back, Panty Fresh will donate $1 to autism awareness and autism research. Guys, that's super important that they have a cause. I have a couple family members that have autism. A very close friend of mine's nephew has autism. It's a wonderful cause to support, and yeah, so I think that that's really cool. That the sizes vary. So let me look at my little bag. So the sizes vary from a size small to a size extra large, and the extra large on the package does say from a size 14 to 18. However, on the card it does specifically say that their extra large actually fits up to a size 22, which I think is really good. The fact that they can get a pair of panties that will fit me in this little box is amazing to me, because I can't fold one pair of my panties and put it in this box. So I'm excited to open this just to see, you know, what it's all about. They gave me two styles. They have two styles. They have a bikini style, and then they have a thong. I'm not much of a thong wearer. They're uncomfortable to me, so I really don't wear them. My husband loves them. I just can't get with it. But they do have those two styles if you're interested. They also have 3 different colors. They have white, black, and nude. I have this thing about white underwear, y'all. I don't like them. And I don't know why. I have them and I wear them. They're not my favorite. So I don't know. But anyway, this is perfect for like when you're on the go and you have, you know, an accident, or, you know, you start your cycle and you didn't know that you were this is gonna be perfect for a teenage girl to carry in her backpack for sure. And they're just practical. It's a practical thing that you really don't ever think about, but when you do sit down and think about it, you're like, oh my gosh, that's a perfect idea. Really interesting story. So when I tell you guys that it's bizarre that they reached out to me, this is why. So I was in my office a couple of weeks ago at work, and I don't know. I had an accident. Like I can admit that I had an accident. I'm a 31-year-old adult woman with 2 children, and you know, I just can't hold it like I used to. I had no idea that I had to use the restroom, and I think I sneezed or something, and I peed quite a bit, like through my dress, through my chair. Like, I peed quite a bit. It's really embarrassing, but it happens. After you have children, you know, your muscles just aren't the same, and sometimes that happens. You can cough, you can sneeze, and a little pee comes out. You know, luckily I wear panty liners, so it wasn't that big. Well, no, it was not lucky, because it still went through. I mean, that's how much I peed, y'all. However, this would have been perfect for me that day, because you know, you don't want to walk around, even if you do have on a panty liner, even if you tinkle a little bit, you don't want to walk around in that So why I say this is bizarre is because I texted my husband and told him what happened, and like an hour later I got an email from this company asking me to review their product on my YouTube channel. How bizarre is that? Like, how bizarre is that? So anyway, they sent me extra large, and they sent me the bikini style in nude, and they sent me the thong in black. I am going to unbox. It doesn't really matter which one I unbox, because, you know, but this is just, I think this is a genius idea. Like, I really do. I think this is a genius idea. I can admit, like, when I was in high school, my cycles were pretty irregular. My baby's right here. If y'all hear that, he's right here and he wants to be heard. And I didn't always know when I was starting my cycle, and one day at school I actually did start my cycle, and I kind of made a mess of myself, and it's embarrassing, but it's something that happens, and I can guarantee it's probably happened to every female. So this is the package. I've opened up the box. Here's what the little package looks like. So they just have it folded and tucked in. This is kind of a sticky, so it's, are you done? This is kind of a sticky, so it opens up like that. You unfold that and you pull out your stuff. So this is what you're going to put your panties in when you're done. This is the little wash bag. Here is the little panty liner that you get with the package. And here is the little wipe that you get with the package. It's a feminine fresh wipe, pH balanced, hyperallergenic, free from chlorine, alcohol, dyes, paraben, and phthalate. Yeah. So the instructions on the wet wipe just say remove cloth from foil packet, unfold, gently clean your intimate area from front to back, and throw the wipe in the trash. Do not flush this, ladies. It's not flushable. And then here is the panty. And there it is, y'all. Legit, like a full panty. And it's seamless. These are the kind of underwear that I wear in real life, because I just... Really? Because of you, I have to wear these, okay? I have to use these. But these are the kind of underwear that I prefer to wear in my everyday life anyway. They're very breathable, very stretchy. What I will say that I love about these off the top, I have not worn them yet, but there is a cotton lining at the crotch, which if you don't know, cotton is the best material to have in your intimate area. So guys, yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Comment down below if you're a mother, or if you're a teenage girl, or if you've just ever had an accident where you had a moment where you thought these would have come in handy. Guys, I have them all the time. I had one yesterday. I texted my husband and I said, I don't know why I can't stop peeing on myself. And perfect for that. Perfect for that. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to come to you with that video. They reached out to me and I wanted to share this product with you because I think it is something worth looking into. The package is $12. The package is $12, and yeah, so be a part of something that's making a difference as well. That's all I have for you guys. So let me know what you think about, I'm in my office, my studio again, so let me know what you think. I'm trying to play around with things, bring a little life into my videos and whatnot. So this is what we got so far. I kind of like this a lot better than the other one. It seems a little more homey. Real quick, my makeup, I have on my powder foundation today. So I did a powder makeup routine today. That's what I do when I don't want to look too made up, you know, but I just want to be, you know, what's the word? When I just want to look fresh. This is what I do. So anyway, guys, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please comment down below, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. I love y'all. Want to see the little guy? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. It is because of this fellow and the big one that I actually can make use of this product. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Okay guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you later. Bye.